What's up, y'all? My name is J. Welcome to the first video on this channel, T Builds, and I'm currently sitting in the project car for this channel. There's a lot that's going to be going into this car, and I am not experienced in any of it. From making this video to putting together this vehicle, it's going to be a complete journey. So I ask that you guys just enjoy and stick along. So, the car that we'll be working on this channel is a 1992 Mercedes-Benz 190e. The original baby Benz and the official rival of the BMW E30 in the DTM racing era. Bought the car back in April last year with the intentions of starting my first project car build and to see what I'm capable of with zero experience. With the car being fully gutted, wires cut, and a bare engine bay, the car was pretty much a rolling shell. So the first thing we did to the build was install a quick release, seats, and racing harness from NRG. With the vehicle acquired, next we needed a power source to swap in. Something with lots of aftermarket support and build potential. So I picked up a 6-liter LSVA out of a Chevy Silverado. With the vehicle and motor acquired, we next needed a transmission. So I did what any sensible human being would do and bought a truck. With the help of my boy Jacob, I picked up a 05 GMC Canyon. Now I know what it looks like. This thing has no doors, one seat, no truck bed, but hey, it ran, which is a good sign because what we were after lies underneath the hood. Inside this GMC Canyon lies a 5-speed manual gearbox called the Aisin Era 5. With just a few modifications, we'll be able to bolt right up to our LS engine.
There's a dude staring, bro. Yes, sir.
After testing out the truck a bit, it was time to get it back to the house to take it apart and remove the transmission. After doing some research, I found that there's a company called Fabit Industries that makes an adapter plate to a 4L60 bell housing that attaches to our transmission and will bolt right up to our motor. With everything slowly coming together, it was time to take apart our motor.
We got the harness, we got the coil packs, the fan, accessory, pulley.
After removing the intake and heads off our motor, it was time to strip the engine down to bare block, making sure that every piston and piece removed were labeled and placed in order of which they were taken out. All the pistons removed, all the gaskets, all the sensors, bare block, ready for the machine shop. Crankshaft over there, everything out, pistons labeled, left, right, 1 through 8, camshaft. All the rest of the parts are back there. Yeah, label everything and then get it prepped for the machine shop. What's up, y'all? It's 1:30 in the morning and I'm just coming in from work. If you guys watched the video so far, you can see that there's a lot that's going into this build. From putting our motor back together, that's off to the side right now, to figuring out how our transmission is gonna bolt back up to the motor and fit inside this car. Nothing that's going inside of this belongs inside of this. So it's all gonna be custom fabrication and trial and error. As I said before, I have zero experience with any of this. So yeah, stick along. It's gonna be a journey from rebuilding our steering setup to motor, the wiring, painting the interior. Everything is gonna be done by me, hopefully, and help from family and friends, of course. Appreciate y'all for supporting. If you guys are interested in the build, I ask that you subscribe or just leave a like. Any tips and tricks you guys have, you can also put them in the comments. And also follow along on Instagram at tbuilds. And yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.